showing you how to make your own thumbnail for a live stream. We will be using Phonto. Also, just gonna say this isn't sponsored. You're just gonna have to use it if you're gonna wanna make your own custom thumbnail for your live streams. So let's get to it. So what you're gonna wanna do is click on your screen and select how big you want the canvas to be. You might want it to be that big. You're gonna wanna go and hit plain image. Click the right one next to the black one. And then you're gonna go click the numbers, go to customs, and you want to get rid of both of the numbers right there. For the top one, you're going to want to put 1920. And then for the bottom one, you're going to put 1080. So that can be because that's the size of the thumbnail. Click done. You want to click that up there, use and save. And then click the 3 bars, add image, go to your camera roll and select any image you're going to use as your thumbnail. I'll just use, let me see. I'll use this one of my dog. Yeah, I'll use it. I'll use this one of my dog. And then gonna click on it and put it right here. Click on it again, put size. Then we're gonna make it big so it can fit the entire screen of our thumbnail canvas. I'm gonna adjust it so it can fit right there. Then we're gonna click anywhere in the screen for the text, and I'm just gonna randomly type in "oh no he did." Just look at the picture, he looked dead. And then we're just gonna put it right there because we can. This is just a demonstration, so it doesn't really matter for me. And I'm gonna click right there, go to save image, press OK, and then you want to go to YouTube, go to my channel, and then I'm gonna click the little camera right there, go live. Why'd you know? I'm gonna just press end. Then I'm gonna put in the title. You can put in whatever title you're gonna put in. I'm just gonna put in Al Dusty. And as I put in, I'm gonna click next. Gonna wait that to load. Then let the thumbnail get a picture taken. And then after that, you're gonna click the little pencil up there. Then you wanna go to upload image. Then you're gonna click the image you used for your thumbnail that you made in Phonto. And then you're gonna click save. Then you're gonna click the go live button. So there you go, you got your live thumbnail, and hope you enjoyed. See ya next time.